Welcome to the ASUCLA Cooking and Crafts Contest. My name is Kristen Woolley, and I am the Executive Chef for ASUCLA. And I'd like to introduce you to my honorary sous chef, Bailey Smith. Welcome, Bailey. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me. Now, there are two parts to this contest, which will be held via Zoom at 8 p.m. on November 18th. You can answer both or just one. It's up to you.
And the cooking contest asks you to create your own dish using our secret ingredient, which is butternut squash. You can use this squash to do anything you like. You can make soups, risotto, casserole. The only limit is your imagination. And dishes will be judged on virtual presentation, creativity, and virtual tastiness. So be prepared to describe your dish to us as well. The crafts portion of the contest is table setting, or as our parents say it, setting the table. You'll create a table setting in autumn theme, linen, silverware, glasses, plates, and a centerpiece. Again, only limit is your creativity and imagination. Judging will be based on creativity and execution of the autumn theme. There will be a panel of student judges present during the Zoom, and I'll be on hand in case there are any questions. The prizes are great. The big prize is Apple Airpods, which will be awarded to the best culinary creation.
To enter the contest, please visit the link below, where you can also find details about finding free supplies while it lasts.
Butternut squash is great and adapted to sweet and savory flavor profiles in pretty much every cuisine you can think of.
Plus, one serving is packed with vitamins A, B, C, potassium, magnesium, and so many more.
And now, on to the fun stuff. Bailey and I are here to show you a super classic and versatile way to prepare butternut squash for your dish, as well as some great accompaniments. One thing about the squash is a little firm, so you want to make sure you have a steady grip on it. So it's easy for it to slip. And then I always cut a little piece so it stays steady on the board. There you go. And then I cut just to about where it opens up, where the seeds are. And when you scoop the seeds out, just try to get all the little stringy bits, but there's a little bit of stragglers left, that's okay. Okay, so we have our two pieces here, as well as the larger stuff. Up here, I like to start there, and then once you have a bigger piece, go down as well, so it's nice and steady. Cut pieces in whatever size you like. They do shrink a little bit in the oven. Sometimes it's good to go a little bigger than you actually want. And then for these pieces, so we go to about here. And you can either leave them whole like this, or we'll slice these down the middle, like so. Take these, throw them in our mixing bowl. You can use any kind of neutral oil you like. I'm using extra virgin olive oil today. And then just toss a little bit. Salt. Just a few pinches is fine. And then black pepper. Just that. I'm going to add some fresh thyme to ours. You can put the whole branches in or take it off the leaves. I like to just use the whole branches, and then the leaves kind of break off into the squash as it cooks. now that everything's seasoned, ready to go, we'll pull our hot sheet tray from the oven very carefully. And then spread out our squash in a single layer. Get it as close as I can. And then just shake it out with the oven mitt. So they're all in one line together, not double stacked. Throw these back in there for about 20 minutes. And we'll check on them halfway through. And the easiest way to tell that they're done is either with a toothpick or a handy dandy cake tester like I have. And you'll just chuck them in the center. And they're ready to go and there's no resistance. And the toothpick or cake tester comes out easily. So Bailey and I hope this has been informative and inspiring. Our world needs more foodies. Please go online and register to enter the contest and join us for more ASUCLA virtual programming in the future. Cheers and bon appetit!